Hello students, today we are going to start the new chapter of the geography textbook Industries. First, let's know what is the meaning of industry. So industry refers to an economic activity that is related with production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of services. For example, iron and steel is production of goods. Coal mining is part of extraction of mineral, and tourism industry is an activity that is part of service provider. In this chapter, students, we are only concerned with manufacturing industry. So let's know what is the actual meaning of manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry processes and change the raw materials into more valuable product. For example, cotton is processed in cotton textile industry and finally transformed into a cotton cloth. Now students, let's discuss classification of industries in detail. So first is on the basis of sources of raw material. So there are four types of industry. First, agro-based industries. Agro-based industries use plant and animal-based products as their raw materials. Food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products, and leather industries are examples of agro-based industries. Second, mineral-based industries. These are primary industries that use mineral ores as their raw materials. The products of these industries feed other industries. Iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral-based industry. This is used as raw material for the manufacture of a number of other products such as heavy machinery, building materials, and railway coaches. Third, marine-based industries. These industries use products from the sea and oceans as raw materials. Industries processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil are some examples. Fourth is forest-based industries. These industries utilize forest produce as raw materials. The industries associated with forests are pulp and paper, pharmaceuticals, furniture, and buildings. Now, students, let's discuss classification of industries on the basis of size. So, size of industry refers to the amount of capital invested, number of people employed, and the volume of production. Based on size, industries can be classified into small scale and large scale industries. Cottage or household industries are a type of small scale industry where the products are manufactured by hand by the artisans. Basket weaving, pottery, and other handicrafts are examples of cottage industry. Small-scale industries use lesser amount of capital and technology as compared to large-scale industries that produce large volumes of products. Investment of capital is higher and the technology used is superior in large-scale industries. Silk weaving and food processing industries are small-scale industries. Production of automobiles and heavy machinery are large-scale industries. Now, students, finally, let's discuss the types of industries on the basis of ownership. So, on the basis of ownership, industries can be classified into private sector, state-owned or public sector, joint sector, and cooperative sector. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. The public sector industries are owned and operated by the government, such as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the Steel Authority of India Limited. Next is joint sector industries. These are owned and operated by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. Maruti Udyog Limited is an example of joint sector industry. Fourth is cooperative sector industries. These industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers, or both. Anand Milk Union Limited and Sudha Dairy are a success story of a cooperative venture. So it is cooperative sector industries.